Another reason that you want to hire a local attorney to handle your personal injury case is because of reputation. If you hire me and I'm practicing here in Tampa, I have a reputation in Tampa that I want to protect. I want to do a good job for you. I don't want you to go around to your family and your friends and say, hey, that guy David Carter, he did a bad job. He wouldn't call me. He never, updated me on my case. That's not the reputation we want to have. So I'm worried about that. So if I had somebody in Alaska who called me, I might not be as worried about whether their friends and family thought I was a good lawyer. So reputation matters, and the attorney that you hire, whether they're local or not, matters. Another reason is because we have investigators. I know who the good investigators are here that can come and go look at accident scenes and survey businesses where an injury occurred. In Tampa, in our locality, we know the doctors who are willing to come to court and testify for people. We know the doctors who are not willing to come to court and testify for people. We know the doctors who are going to come to court and try to sink your case. So we can help guide you through the process and tell you, hey, look, this doctor does a good job taking care of people. This doctor does not. This doctor's a very good surgeon. This doctor maybe doesn't have that reputation. So we know those things, and we know the doctors who work for the insurance companies a lot, and those are their buddies, and you can bet they're going to go to court and testify, hey, I'm going to help out the insurance company. So it's important to hire a local attorney who knows who those people are. The other part is, a local attorney is part of the legal community, is part of the legal community in the city where they practice. So in Tampa, I have a lot of cases against other attorneys that practice here in Tampa, live here in Tampa. We know some of the same people. We've had a lot of cases together. We have a rapport. So I know the attorneys who I can trust. I know the attorneys I can't trust. I know the attorneys who are good at trial. I know the attorneys who aren't, the best at trial. I know the attorneys who are gonna try to compensate you fairly without having to push you all the way. So it really helps prepare you for your case and for potentially a deposition or a trial if we know who our adversary is. So we work with these other attorneys in the community, and we know who they are. We have history with them. We know how they'll handle a case, whether or not they're going to be fair, and whether or not they can be trusted. Similarly, being part of the fabric of a legal community means that we know where we're filing our lawsuits. We know who the judges are that are handling your case. We've dealt with the same judges before on many cases, and we know how those judges are typically going to rule on some issues, and that might be different from judge to judge, and how you want to approach a judge or how you want to speak to a judge. That can differ from judge to judge. So it really helps to hire a local attorney who knows the courthouse where you're filing that lawsuit and knows that, hey, look, this is how we're going to handle the case in front of this judge, but we might tweak that a little bit if we go in front of this judge. So those are all reasons that you want to hire an attorney who's local to your area, knows where your injury occurred, knows the streets, knows the people in the community who are working on your case, and can help lead you to a successful outcome. At Carter Injury Law, we're happy to help people in our community. We offer free consultations. We work completely for free on cases until you win your case, and we get paid only if you are able to be successful in your case.